What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. It's kind of catchy. Rab, rab, Dennis, rab, 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 Dennis, rab, Timberman, rab, Dennis, rab, Timberman, rab, Dennis, rab, Timberman, rab, Dennis, rab, Timberman, rab, Dennis, rab, Timberman,
Marana,
Dennis,
Marana,
Timberman,
Marana, Marana, Marana,
Timberman,
Marana,
Mr. K,
Marana,
Mr. K,
Marana,
K, ooh,
Marana,
Mr. K,
Marana.
Timberman, K, rab, 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 Timberman,
Marana,
rab,
Marana,
Dennis, rab,
Marana, Marana,
Mr. Castle, singing our song all day long in physics.
I found the source of the ticking. It's my leg.
Yay!
Just giggle, just giggle, 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 just giggle.